issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pushmataha County in southeastern Oklahoma, Choctaw County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Boswell, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Hugo, Antlers, Boswell, Fort Tosin, Sawyer, Rattan, Soper, Kent, Goodland, Messer, Hugo Lake State Park, Raymond Gary State Park, Grant, Fallon, Swink, Apple, Spear, Della, Unger, Gay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 7:21 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK-20, serving the Paris listening area.